Hello, today we will guide you through how to edit Meta Business Suite notification settings. If you want to stay updated on important activity in your Meta Business Suite account, adjusting your notification settings is a simple and useful step. In this walkthrough, we'll show you exactly where to find these settings and how to turn on the notifications you need so you can keep track of updates without missing anything important. To begin, open Meta Business Suite. Once the dashboard loads, take a moment to make sure you are in the correct business account, especially if you manage more than one. Starting from the main home area will make the next steps easier to follow. Next, look to the left-hand navigation menu. In that sidebar, click on Notifications. This section is where Meta Business Suite collects alerts and updates related to your business activity. Depending on your setup, you may see notifications about messages, comments, tasks, account activity, or other business-related events. Opening this area is the first step toward customizing how and when you're informed. After you're in the notification section, move your attention to the top of the page and click the Settings icon. This opens the Notification Preferences area, where you can control which alerts are enabled. If you do not see the icon right away, give the page a second to fully load and check along the top portion of the notifications screen. Once you've opened the settings, turn on the notification you need. This is the key part of the process. Review the available options carefully and enable the ones that are most relevant to your work. For example, you may prefer to receive alerts only for high-priority updates, or you may want broader visibility across multiple types of activity. Choosing the right settings can help reduce unnecessary interruptions while still keeping you informed. As a helpful tip, after making your changes, pause for a moment and confirm that the toggle or selected option remains enabled. In some cases, it's also a good idea to revisit your notification settings later if your role changes or if you begin managing different types of content or team activity. That's all it takes to edit your Meta Business Suite notification settings. By going to Meta Business Suite, opening notifications from the left navigation, selecting the settings icon at the top, and turning on the notification you need, you can tailor alerts to better support your daily workflow.